Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Play Store not working. So first of all, we will just swipe up and just tap on the Android device settings as well, and simply just tap on it this app section, and here you will just scroll down and just find the Google Play Store and just tap on it. So here you will just see, if you just scroll down, there is a internal storage memory, so I want to just tap on it, and in the right bottom corner you will see the clear cache. So just tap on it, clear cache, and just refresh it. And after, make sure that the second thing is that you will have make sure a strong internet connection on like Wi-Fi or the data mobile network, and in this way you will just have to fix Google Play Store if not working as well. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.